What up, fam? It's your boy Bingo from BENGO-TECH, and we are back again. And today, I'm gonna be showing you how you can install Windows 7 on your laptop using a CD. Yep, using the old-fashioned way. You know. Yep. So let's get started. Simple as it is. So let's just get started. All right. Alright, so first off, you're gonna have to put in your CD into your CD-ROM. You make sure it is in there. You make sure it is in there. You make sure it is in there, and it's tight on it. Then you push it back in your laptop, and then yeah, let me do the camera work so y'all can see what I'm doing. All right, so when you have your CD in there, and then you turn on your laptop. So let's turn on. You push the F12 button. So the F12 button is the boot menu for this laptop, for this particular laptop. Most laptops have different, kind of the boot's menu key. Some uses delete, some uses the tab, some uses the escape, some uses the F10, some uses the F9. So this one uses the F12. So when you do that, this was going to show up the list of the the boot menu that you can select from. So when this comes like that, and then you're going to have to select the CD, that's the first one, and then you hit on enter. All right, then you hit on enter. So let's see what's gonna come. So you say tap or press on the key. So you go on there, push on any key. All right, so it can boot your device from it. This asks you this because you're using the old-fashioned way, the CD. That's what happens. Then you tap on there, and then it's just gonna load. The Windows is gonna load the files. So let's wait and then see how it will go. All right, just wait and see how it will go. All right, so it's almost done. Yep, it's almost done. So in this process, it's just gonna load the whole thing till the last end, and then when it's done, the Windows is gonna start all over again. Then we just we'll take it from there. All right. So it's just an easy step. All that you have to do is just follow the steps, and everything's gonna work for you. Okay, so here is the next step. Here is the next step. So the next step is the setup step. So here you're gonna go all the way to the next button. To the next button. To the next button. And then you click on the install activated Windows. Click on there, and then this whole process, is gonna take place. It's very easy, very, very easy. You know what I mean? Yeah. So here you select your operating system. We have the 65. So we have the 64, and then we have the 86. The 86 is more like it's the same as 32. Okay, so these are the Windows. So you need to select one. So we're gonna go for the professional, Windows 7 professional, and then you click on the next, and then you make sure you read all this stuff, and then you understand, and then you take the agree to install Windows activated. Then you click on the next. So here, if you want to upgrade your Windows, which means you already have Windows 7 on there, but then it's an old Windows 7, but then you want to upgrade it, and then you click on the first one. But here, if you want to install a new copy of Windows activated, like you want to install a new one fresh, then you click on here. All right, So we're gonna go to the custom, that is more advanced. So we have a new window, so we're gonna click on there. And here, you need to be careful when you come here, most especially when you have a partition drive that have most of your files in there. So here we're gonna delete all the partitions and then create new ones. We're gonna delete all the partitions and then create new ones. So here, so how to create new partitions, you just come to new, and then you type in your partition. Sorry, you type in, I was using the wrong keyboard. So you type in the partition, so y'all can see what I'm doing. So you clean all these numbers, and then you type in any number, how you want to divide the partition into two. So I'm gonna type in 12,000. That's 12 million megabyte. That's approximately like 12 million. That's 1 million. That's probably like 117 gig. All right, so this is what's gonna show up. So in this place, you're gonna come here again, because this is still not active. It's uncollected space. I mean unallocated space. So here, what you're gonna do is you come to your new, and then you just don't do nothing to these numbers. Don't do nothing. You just hit on apply. You hit on apply, and then you come here. You make sure it is highlighted, or it is selected, and then you click on formats, and then okay. You click on format, and then you wait till everything is done. Yep, you wait till everything is done. All right, it is done. So what you're gonna do now is go to your partition 2. So this is just megabyte. All right, this is just a megabyte. You can't install Windows on a megabyte. So you go to your second partition, and then you select it, and then you go to next. That's where the Windows is going to install at. You click on next, and then we wait till this whole process is complete. All right, so let's wait till it's done. And so we have some fuel. It's 80% now. It's 80%. Yep. It's 80%. Yep. So, well, it's almost done. It's almost done. Hold on. Let me adjust the screen so we can have the full screen right here. Oops. Hold up. Yeah, this is better. Well, I think this is fine. Now let's go back a little bit. Yes, this is better. So now it's 100%. 100%. Okay, so let's see. So this is how so it's now installing the updates. As you can see, it's very simple when you install the Windows on a laptop. Very simple, especially when you follow the steps carefully. Because some people, the part that they find it difficult most is when they are partitioning the drive. That part, yeah. So let's see. So now it's gonna restart. The laptop is gonna restart. So let's see. It's gonna restart, and then yep. So like I said, it's sometimes very difficult depending on the what's it called, on the laptop that you are installing on, because most laptops uses the F12, and some uses the Escape, some uses the the Delete. Yep, that's how some laptops uses. some of these keys. Oh, I don't know why it just started booting from I don't think the installation is gonna restart again. I hope not. But I should have taken out the hard the CD. Hold on, so we're gonna have to take out the CD first out. Oops. So the whole process has restarted again because the CD is still in there. All right, so we're gonna take out the CD, the DVD out from the laptop, and then restart the laptop again. So I have the CD out. So let's restart the laptop again. You know what I'm doing is not advisable, especially when you when you tap on when you force shut down the laptop. It's not really advisable though, but then we have to do it. All right, so let's turn it on and then see what's gonna happen. So now I have the CD out. So let's see. Yep, so it's gonna boot all the way. Yep, there it is. So this is how it's gonna go. It's gonna go all the way to the desktop. So at this point, you just don't do nothing. Don't do nothing. Just leave the laptop alone. Let it, do whatever that has to do, and then you're just gonna go straight to the desktop. All right. So now it's completion. It's completing the installation. Okay. Like I said, very simple. So let's see how it will go. So now it's gonna restart again. So like I said, at this point you leave the laptop, let it do. Oops, hold on. We should have restarted this whole thing. I still had the whole CD putting back in. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna restart it. And always make sure the CD is taken out, before it restarts. Make sure it's taken out. Make sure it's taken out. You just leave it, let it do whatever that it has to do, and everything is just going to be fine. Alright? Yep. So at this point, that's where you're gonna type in your computer name. So we're gonna type in Bengo, and then you hit enter. And then this part is gonna ask you if you want to put a password on there, but no, we don't want to put any password on there. So you just continue to hit the enter button, and then here you're gonna have to go to use the recommended settings, and then you make sure the time and the date is set, and then you click on next and you skip it. And here the whole hold on, let me position as well so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, so here just leave it, let it activate the final settings, and then everything just gonna be fine. So basically this is how the whole installation is done. All right, so right after here you're just gonna go straight to your desktop, and that's it. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and give it a thumbs up, and always put on the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram as official_Bengo, and we're gonna meet right there. But don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Peace out. Thanks for watching.
Started boarding when a nigga think I miss. Shit is funny, cause somebody breathe the heat. Knew that's for me.